So we're gonna put them in
Are
there?
you ready? I'll toss them and you do the...
All right, you put them in the microwave.
Fuck the trays off.
True to Jen. All right, this is...
There we are. 1, 2. Shut her up!
All right, now, there's also a tradition. We have to put it in there for a set amount of time.
How long should we put it in there for?
I heard somebody say 69.
I did not.
I heard it, definitely.
I don't think...
Maybe I just
Okay, let's put it in there randomly.
We might actually need longer than that, and that would be lame.
What do you guys know? I'm a microwave specialist. Plus, if we had a 0 onto that, that wouldn't be so kosher. Okay. So now, the next thing, I guess we just have to get out of here.
We're gonna back up. We're gonna turn the house lights down.
Get those lights down.
Can everyone see that?
Can everyone see the microwave? Oh, you will be able to.
I'm kidding.
You will be able to.
I want to issue a warning to everyone in the crowd. The following will shock and amaze you.
If we do it right.
Yeah, if we do it right. All right. So Riley, I will be hiding behind you.
The meat shield!
Okay, ready?
I'm ready,
I think we
Jordan.
need a countdown to the start.
Okay.
Okay, we'll go from 3 down, and I'll go on the beat after. So let's go. 3, 2, 1.
Is it going? Oh yeah. There's one left, right?
There's one left.
We're not good at crafting.
Isn't that the most beautiful shade of purple? Okay, let's. This is not smoke. Don't worry. Okay, we're out of here.
All right,
now.
Quick show of hands. How many people need to change their diapers now?
That depends. You can tell that I've been working on that for the past
You're
month.
terrible.
Okay, so I guess we have to open her up and I sure hope this isn't hot, so we even forgot gloves. Oh man, it's a lot of little shards of glass.
Hey, you guys are getting free stuff all day. How about...
No,
No one fell.
no one got through there.
Whatever.
Okay, maybe we'll try throwing the microwave. It seems like we've done that.
You can go to jail for that, you know.
We need a verdict now.
Oh yeah, we have to decide. The whole point of the show is it is a good idea or is it a bad idea. So round of applause. Who thinks it is a bad idea to microwave light bulbs?
Get out of here.
Who thinks it's a good idea?
Now, how many of you think it is a Pisty idea? If you don't know what that means, it's okay. No one really does.
Nobody's talking to you.
It's okay.
All right.